In our continued efforts to keep our viewers updated, we bring you our weekly news bulletin. Today we bring to you news from Goa, India and some internationally relevant news. In a bid to control the increasing COVID numbers, Goa government has imposed restrictions in the state including night curfew from 10 pm to 6 am. However, no restrictions have been imposed on travelers coming from other states. In his address on Saturday evening, the Chief Minister ruled out lockdown in the state. Government urges the public to take necessary precautions and get vaccinated to keep the virus at bay. Goa reported 1,540 new cases as of April 24th, thus increasing the number of total active cases in the state to 12,078 and taking the death toll to 993. Due to the surge in COVID numbers in the state, Goa Taxi Drivers Association have called off their protest against Goa Miles app at Azad Maidan, Panjim. However, they have decided to keep their vehicles off the road till the government gives in writing that they are willing to scrap the Goa Miles app. The Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination CISCE, ICSE, ISC Class 10 and 12 board exams postponed due to COVID surge. Similarly, in Goa, the 10th and 12th board exams were also postponed due to COVID. National exams like NET and NEET have also been postponed until further notice. Students will be informed of the revised dates at least 15 days before the examinations. On the national level, India recorded the highest one-day tally of new COVID-19 cases anywhere in the world and the country's highest number of deaths on April 22nd. India has close to 16 million confirmed cases, second only to the United States. Maharashtra reported a surge of over 35% deaths on Friday and its highest ever death toll of 773 COVID deaths. Nearly 60% of samples of the newly identified and infectious Indian variant of SARS-CoV-2 called B1617 have been found in Maharashtra, although the double mutant strain is dominant only in select districts and cities, not the entire state. Kerala's Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said on Friday that they will keep their word to the people by providing free COVID-19 vaccination to all eligible people in the state. The list of states that have made COVID RT-PCR tests mandatory for visitors include Delhi, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Assam, and Odisha. Justice N.V. Ramana takes oath as the new Chief Justice of India. The swearing-in ceremony was held at Rashtrapati Bhavan at Delhi on Saturday. Sharad Arvind Bobde was the 47th Chief Justice of India and recently commented, "Time has come for a woman Chief Justice of India." He said this while hearing a plea filed by Women Lawyers Association. Till date, not a single woman judge has figured in list of 48 Chief Justice of India since it came into existence on January 26, 1950. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said he was looking for ways to help and support the people of India amid a surge in COVID cases in the country. Similarly, China has extended support to India to tackle this second wave. WHO Director General Tedros Ghebreyesus on Friday expressed concern over the growing COVID-19 cases in India and said, "India is a devastating reminder of damage COVID-19 can wreak." That's all we have for this week. Follow our social media handles to get latest updates about the ongoing pandemic and a lot more.